Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Less than 24 hours after we talked about the importance and the value opportunity and the investment opportunity with Ethereum, Vitalik makes an announcement, a huge announcement, which is really why we were saying what we said to begin with. There's huge opportunity with Ethereum. Let's dive in. So taking a look here at this announcement here. So Vitalik explores sunsetting EVM in favor of a simpler Ethereum execution model. Okay, what does that mean? That means that the ability for Ethereum to scale, the ability for fees to go down is going to be far better than what it is currently. So right here, let's dive right into it. So Vitalik proposed a long-term overhaul of Ethereum's execution environment to replace the Ethereum virtual machine with RISC-V, which is a standardized extensible instruction set architecture. So really what this is the proposal shared in Ethereum Magicians Forum outlines the multi-phase shift to improving efficiency and simplifying the execution layer without changing core base of Ethereum, such as account storage, cross-contract calls. The change would retain Solidity and Viper as primary development languages, which would be adapted to compile RISC-V. So execution bottlenecks and long-term scaling. This is kind of the reason for the proposed changes. Coexisting migration and simplification paths as well. Really, it's just a pivot, guys. Just a pivot. This is kind of why we were saying Ethereum is extremely undervalued, because all it takes is a pivot. They don't have to do a complete overhaul. And with this market share, they don't have to do a complete overhaul, just a pivot, extreme value add, and extreme growth opportunity. So love what I'm seeing with Ethereum. Not even an Ethereum Max, to be honest with you. Like from like a personal standpoint, I don't necessarily like Ethereum. Like I'm not really a Vitalik fan. Okay. But when it comes from an investment standpoint, I definitely think Ethereum, a $10,000 to $15,000 Ethereum conservatively is in play. If I took my conservative outlook that I tell you guys out the window, I would say 15 to 20K Ethereum. That's what I would really say. But you're not really going to hear me say that too much. I say 10 to 15 because really I think that's shooting a little bit low, but not ridiculously low like you hear other people talking about $7,000 Ethereum. I'm like, come on, guys, come on, right? I'm not gonna undershoot that low and kind of diminish the potential Ethereum has. So here, furthermore, we see that this proposal would broaden the design philosophy in alignment with Beam Chain. Community response as well. So some community members raised strategic and technical reservations in response to Buterum's proposal. Adam Cochran questioned the prioritization of a layer 1 efficiency at the potential expense of L2 enablement, suggesting that RISC-V could narrow Ethereum's modular roadmap. Okay, so you're having some pushback within the community. But overall, just the pivot in allowing the community, allowing the network, not the community, allowing Ethereum to have easier migrations, allow it to, have a more simplified process is going to be very good for Ethereum. Everyone's not going to like it, but Ethereum, at the end of the day, if we're just being real, Ethereum has to do something. Ethereum has to do something. Not just from a price standpoint, just from an overall network standpoint, they have to continue to evolve and get better. And this proposal does that. Pivot somewhere. It may not be the right place, may not be the place everyone likes, but a pivot nonetheless will benefit everyone. So with that being said, looking at Bitcoin rally above 100K is what people are saying. They're saying this may follow U.S. Treasury buybacks. Arthur Hayes is making this prediction. So incoming U.S. Treasury buybacks and weakening U.S. dollar may bolster Bitcoin's appeal as a hedge against turbulence in the traditional financial system. Investors seeking Bitcoin exposure may be running out of time to purchase below a six-figure price, as the U.S. Treasury buybacks may signal the next leg up for the world's first cryptocurrency. This might be the last chance to buy Bitcoin below $100,000 mark, Arthur Hayes says. And pretty much saying, like the Easter Bunny, bounce, bounce, bounce. Seriously, he posts this on X and pretty much saying that this may be the last chance you have to accumulate Bitcoin under 100K. So huge opportunity. But others are saying Bitcoin can reach 138,000 in 3 months as macro odds see Bitcoin price to the upside, right? And this was a couple days ago as well. It's about 3 days ago this article came out, and everyone's pretty much getting the same sentiment. When you see that same sentiment, what are you going to see? You're going to see that crypto fear greed meter over here. You're going to see this go up, right, and go towards the yellow. But that's not when you should have been buying. You should have been buying in the red when people were saying, oh no, people had that uncertainty. Because now we're looking at Bitcoin. We see the chart, right? We see the chart over here. And with this chart, we see this breakout, and it cleared our level. It cleared this major level right here. We did have this in blue so you guys can see. And this is level 1. The next level right here, we're going to have this level 2. It's the next level we want to see breaking, so we can continue to not only accumulate but also see where you want to exit, right? You can see, okay, this happened, this happened, this happened. This is what we want to do. This is where we want to be at. And with that being said, the time is coming, guys. The time is coming, and you can see it right here. You can see everything with the levels that we showed you. The levels that we've showed you already, you can see it. This is the next level. Broke this level here, cleared it. We'll see how this closes on the daily. Next level we want to see broken is this level just around 90,000. I think it was a bit lower, but we can just put it here. 91,000. I want to see broken. Put it there, and when we have it there, we will, monitor that and see what we do at those price points. So definitely something that I'm paying attention to. Definitely something that we will continue to analyze, guys. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.